Hello and welcome to step 5. Let's consider now what would happen if we had 3 boxes of Smarties, which are containing some Smarties that we can't see, and then we have 2 extras. How would we model that using an algebraic expression? Well, we would have the 3 that we can't see, so 3x's, plus the 2 that we can. So we're going to write that as 3x plus 2. So here are 2 more collections. The first group are 2 boxes plus 2 that we can see. And in the next group, 1 box of Smarties and 4 that we can see. So if we were to group them all together, we would have 3 boxes of Smarties containing, again, the X number that we can't see in each of those boxes and the 6 that we can see. This now suggests to us the right way to simplify 2x plus 2 plus x plus 4. Grouping the x's together into 3x's and grouping the numbers together into 6. Now here's a classic beginner error. Can you see why this person got an answer of 9x? What did they do wrong? Yes, so hopefully you can see what they've done is they've just added the numbers on the left-hand side, a 2 plus the invisible 1 plus a 4, so that is 9. And they've said, well, I've got 9x. They've mixed it all together. This is wrong. The correct approach is to look carefully at the x's. There are 2 x's and there's 1 x, and we're adding them together, 3 x's, and then to look at the numbers. 2 and 4 gives us 6. Let's do a slightly harder one. So we have 7a plus 1 minus 2a minus 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the a terms first. The 7a, take away the 2a, gives us 5a. Now we're going to look at the numbers. The plus 1, take away 3, that's going to give us negative 2, or take away 2. So something else that's very useful to do when we think we know how to simplify an expression is to check it by trying some substitutions. So for example, let's consider if there were 3 Smarties inside each box. If this maths is correct, then when we evaluate it for the substitution, the answer on the left-hand side should be the same as the answer on the right-hand side. So let's look at the left-hand side. Substituting a 3 wherever the x is gives us 2 lots of 3 plus 2 plus the 3 plus the 4. That gives us 15. What about the other side? If we put 3 lots of 3, that's 9 plus 6. That's also 15. And that's what we want to see. We're ready now to do some examples. So you choose the level of yaks you would like to do, press the pause button, and have a go at these in your workbook. We'll be back shortly with the solutions. Here are the solutions. Mark your work. See you at step 6.